Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. Today, we're going on a peaceful journey through a beautiful forest. This visualization practice will help you release stress and tension while connecting you with the calming energy of nature. Even if you're sitting in a busy city or indoors, you can access this tranquil space within your imagination. Find a comfortable position where you can remain still and relaxed for the next few minutes. Begin by closing your eyes gently. Take a moment to notice how your body feels right now. There's no need to change anything, simply observe with kindness. Notice any areas that feel tense or tight, and any areas that already feel relaxed and at ease. Let's take 3 slow, deep breaths together. Breathe in slowly through your nose, filling your belly first, then your chest. Hold for just a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any stress or worry you've been carrying. Take another deep breath in, imagining you're breathing in fresh, clean air. And breathe out, letting go of any mental chatter or busy thoughts. One more nourishing breath in, drawing in peace and calm. And exhale completely, settling more deeply into this quiet space. Now, allow your breathing to find its own natural rhythm. With each breath, you're becoming more relaxed and more present. Feel your body settling into whatever is supporting you, releasing any unnecessary tension. Now we're going to take an imaginary walk through a beautiful forest. Picture yourself standing at the edge of a peaceful woodland. In front of you is a gentle path that winds between tall, majestic trees. The air here is fresh and clean, carrying the earthy scent of pine and rich soil. You feel completely safe and at peace in this natural sanctuary. Begin to walk slowly along the path. Your footsteps are soft and quiet on the forest floor, which is covered with a carpet of fallen leaves and pine needles. As you walk, notice the dappled sunlight filtering through the canopy above, creating patterns of light and shadow that dance gently around you. The trees here are ancient and wise. Some are tall pines reaching toward the sky, others are sturdy oaks with broad, protective branches. As you pass by each tree, imagine breathing in their peaceful energy. These trees have stood here for decades, weathering storms and seasons, yet remaining rooted and strong. Let their stability and groundedness settle into your own body. Listen to the gentle sounds of the forest around you. Perhaps you can hear the soft rustling of leaves in a gentle breeze. Maybe there's the distant sound of water trickling over stones in a small stream. You might notice birds singing sweetly in the branches above, their songs adding to the symphony of this peaceful place. Continue walking at your own comfortable pace. There's no hurry here, no destination you need to reach. This is simply time for you to be present and to restore yourself in nature's embrace. With each step, you feel more relaxed and more connected to the natural world. Up ahead, you notice a small clearing where warm sunlight streams down from above. Walk toward this peaceful spot and pause here for a moment. In the center of the clearing, there's a smooth, comfortable rock that seems perfectly placed for you to sit and rest. Lower yourself onto this natural seat and feel how perfectly it supports you. The rock has been warmed by the sun and feels pleasant against your body. From here, you can see the forest stretching out in all directions. You are held and surrounded by this beautiful green space. Take a few moments to simply sit and breathe in this tranquil setting. Notice how still and quiet your mind has become. Any worries or concerns from your daily life feel very far away right now. Here in this forest, there is only peace, only the present moment, only the gentle rhythm of your breathing. Feel yourself absorbing the healing energy of this place. Imagine the fresh forest air filling not just your lungs, but every cell in your body, bringing with it a sense of renewal and vitality. The earth beneath you offers grounding and stability. The trees around you provide protection and wisdom. As you sit in this peaceful clearing, set an intention to carry some of this forest calm with you when you return to your daily life. Know that you can always come back to this place in your imagination whenever you need a moment of peace and restoration. This tranquil space exists within you always. Spend another moment here, breathing slowly and deeply. Feel grateful for this time you've given yourself and for nature's gift of peace and healing. Let this sense of gratitude fill your heart and spread throughout your entire being. Now it's time to gradually return from your forest journey. Take one last look around this beautiful clearing, knowing you can visit here anytime you wish. Slowly rise from your comfortable rock and begin to walk back along the path. As you walk, you carry with you the peace and calm you've found here. Your body feels relaxed and restored. Your mind feels clear and settled. You are bringing the best of this forest experience back with you into your everyday world. Now, begin to bring your attention back to your physical body and your actual surroundings. Start by wiggling your fingers and toes gently. Take a deeper breath and notice how relaxed you feel. Feel grateful for this journey and for the peace you've cultivated within yourself. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return fully to the present moment. Take a moment to stretch gently if that feels good. Notice how you feel now compared to when you began this practice. You have successfully created a sense of calm and restoration within yourself. Thank you for taking this peaceful walk with me through the forest. Carry this tranquility with you as you continue with your day.